All right, this time we're going to put an image into our cube and then use it to trace around. So you can see these are some of the other ones that I've done before. So there's like a starfish, an owl, a bow tie, and a dog print. So the thing that you need to remember with this is to get an image that's quite simple to start with. So first of all, we want to create a sketch. So you click on the plus and it will spin around onto a blank surface. So at the moment we don't have an image. So what you need to go to do is you go to Google and you need to get a really simple drawing. And I can't emphasize that enough, because anything that's too hard, you won't be able to draw around. So I might just put in, for example, I might do another bow tie. So I'll just say bow tie, and do put clip art at the end because that will give you a really simple drawing. So I'm just literally going to choose this, right click on it. So I need to save the image, however, make sure you say save image as. So click on save image as. And the other thing to remember too is, where is this going to go when you save it? If it's something that I don't use very much, well, this, for example, is going to go into my pictures. So I'll just save it there, and I'm just going to call it bow tie. Okay. I'm hoping a PNG might work. If not, you might have to go back and get a JPEG. So just save it. Then go back to Fusion. So we're still in the 2D view. You go along to insert and you want canvas. So click on canvas. So now you have to insert from my computer. And just remember, okay, where did I put that file that I saved? Now, if it's not going to come up, it might be because of the file type. As I said, this program tends to like JPEGs better. Let's just see. Yeah, there it is. I'll put that in. So I want to, that's my image there. Oh, sorry. So I select the face that I want it to go on. Now, once again, you can move that with a blue arrow, or you can grab this here and make it bigger. But generally when it puts it in at the same, at the right size, which is really good. So then you go, okay. So now you have an image here that you can trace around. So I'm just scrolling with my mouse roller, because I tend to think if you kind of go in on that, it makes it a lot easier to draw around. So I've kind of got a bit of a circle here. So I think I'm going to get the circle tool and I'm going to use that. So I'll start with that. The next thing I'm going to use is the spline tool for my drawing. It depends what you've done. It might be a bit different. I'm going to start inside that circle, because you always want to make sure that you're overlapping, because if you don't, you'll end up with holes in your drawing, and then you won't be able to extrude it, because this program likes 2D shapes that are solid. Okay, now if you come over to this side, we've got a whole another menu here which we haven't used before. Now if you click on this triangle at the side, it's going to open up the canvases. So this is our canvas that we put in before, and these are all eyes. So it turns the visibility on and off. So I can turn the visibility off on that, and I can see what I've got. It's pretty ugly at the moment. Under modify here, you've got trim. So you could even, if you wanted to, it's not going to trim for some reason. I don't know why. We'll see how we go when we try and make this 3D. I'm just going to escape out of there. This is doing some strange things. So, right, I'm going to right click, and it seems like I've gone over to 3D view for some reason. I don't know why. It's going to spin around. Okay, so I'm going to right click, press pull. Now, if you've got quite a few shapes, you'll need to click each shape to press pull it. You could go 4, just depends how thick that you want to make it. I might just go, I'm going to go 43. I might go 3, and then I can click OK. Now, you can notice here too that if you wanted to go back the other way, you can cut. So if you want to cut a fancy shape in your drawing, you could. So it'd just be a matter of pushing that back the other way and you'd be making a hole. So there's a lot of different options there. with that as well. So then you just click on OK, and there is your drawing that you did. As I said, once you're finished, just turn off that bow tie so you haven't got it. So what you want to do now is just save that drawing again so it's in your files.